trafficking has become the second largest criminal industry in the world after drug trafficking. It is the illegal exploitation of human beings for someone's profit or benefit. This is a crime against the freedom and dignity of a human being. Exploitation of persons have always happened and is happening all over the world and in Aruba. It is why Kiwani's Young Professionals, Department of Culture, Counter-Trafficking Task Force, NAR Media, and Switch Foundation have united to produce Promesa Falso, an educational hybrid documentary aiming to alert, to educate, and to prevent human trafficking with the extra focus on sexual exploitation of women and young girls. Switch Foundation is a non-for-profit NGO based in Aruba. We have been helping to prevent social issues since 2011 through educational documentaries supported with the research and access of social organizations, which are distributed to schools in Aruba and soon the Caribbean and Latin America. We inspire, educate, and offer guidance through audiovisuals because, like the rest of the world, Aruba has become technologically savvy and multimedia approaches have become the most appropriate medium to communicate and achieve individual and community empowerment. We have involved hundreds of youngsters in the making to raise their interest in the topics we discuss. We use image as strategy to capture the attention of the community by presenting the research with a cinematographic and artistic direction. Promesa Falso will teach about the dangers and the tactics that the traffickers use when recruiting their victims as the grooming process through the reenactment of the real-life story of a university alumna and former victim of sexual trafficking. We will provide tips on how to spot red flags and how to be vigilant about the false promises that lead to forced labor and sexual exploitation, which can end up in life-threatening tragedies. This dynamic and timeless tool will be accessible free of cost to schools, NGOs, organizations, and the community as a whole. We invite you to unite, help us reach and educate as many people as possible, and together make a larger impact. Join us and be part of the Switch.